Hey everyone. So guys, today we're going to learn about trafficking and the ways how we can prevent it and how government has supported for this great initiatives. So trafficking, very simple. Okay, it's like, for example, they're kidnapping you. Okay, they're kidnapping you and they're making you to do some kind of labor work. Okay, or example, they're putting you in some kind of prostitution, or else they're making you to do some kind of organ trade is happening. Okay, so it could be about drug courier. So in this aspect, when it is happening, we tell it as trafficking. And you all know, it's very important to note down that the trafficking is one of the world's largest profit oriented crimes which is actually happening, and this is basically against a human rights violation. Okay, it's against the human rights violation. So when a person is basically trafficked, that person undergoes huge amount of physical, psychological as well as mental torture. Okay, so they undergo mental, physical and psychological torture, and along with that, see, for example, in the trafficking itself, if they are abducting a woman to prostitution, and there are many instances where it has lead to even HIV and AIDS diseases. Got it. So I hope now you got a clarity about what is trafficking. Trafficking means it's like kidnapping one individual and then for the purpose of like prostitution. It could be in terms of organ trades. It could be for drug services, or it could be for labor aspect. Okay, very simple. So I hope now we got a clarity. Second important thing is on how we can prevent prostitution. Like how we can prevent the trafficking. So trafficking we can prevent by few important aspects. That is like government should collaboratively work with what different kind of NGO organizations. It could be with civil societies and well as with even the corporates. So make sure that to tackle this trafficking they play a very important role. That means collaboratively work together. Okay, now the second important solution is that there are many United Nations protocols. Okay, so the government should initiate such kind of protocols and bring many kind of stringent laws, not only in the central level but also in the state level. So we even have Article 23. So what is Article 23 of the Constitution? Article 23 of the Constitution says that it prohibits for any factor of trafficking which is happening. So if there is any kind of trafficking under this article, you can basically arrest an individual on this particular aspect and then try to bring some kind of justice to them. And the government has also introduced various kind of initiatives to support for the women empowerment and development that you can basically see through the process of on how we can overcome the problems of trafficking. So now I hope you got a clarity about what is trafficking, and then what are the ways on how you can prevent the trafficking. So that's all for today's video. So today's video we focused on two important aspects. One is what is trafficking, and second one is how we can prevent the trafficking. Thank you.